Hey, here we are back again at Dakota Automation progress update. The countertops have all been installed. Cambria countertops on the upper edge. This is the admin office. Lots of cabinetry in here as well. Okay, here we are in the hallway. Closet doors are up. Women's bathroom. Fixtures are all installed. Water's hooked up. It's up and running. GC crew's been working hard. We have our interior doors all installed. Out here is the break room area. We have spots for 5 different microwaves, sink, prep area, break room ahead. This is the break room. Okay, again, we have our Cambria windowsills installed. Cabinets over here. This would be a giant open office area. Really close to turning it over to the owners.